Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be winding up this unit that was about the yes, different views of the object. First, we talked about different views of the object, and in that, we discussed that how one object can have different views. And we discussed that by capturing the picture of one thing from different angles, we get the different views of it, right? And we practiced it with the help of different objects as well. You did some activities at your home as well, and we did some in the class as well. I gave you different examples. Let's say if we talk about this marker, when you look at it from here, it gives you a different view. When you look at it from here, it gives a different, again different, right? So by looking at something from different angles, it gives us the different views. And but the important thing, what is important, that the object remains the same. Let's say if we talk about marker, so yes, there can be different color markers, but it should be marker. Similarly, we look at some other pictures, like we talked about the cups, how it gives us different views. We look at the jug, we look at the water kettle, and we discussed that how they gives us different views. And why we discuss that topic, because through that we want to understand the difference between the picture and the map. So I told you that the map does not gives us that much details of a house or of a building as the picture gives, right? What is the major difference? Let's say if we talk about the picture, when you take the picture of your house from the front, it gives you the front view only, right? You don't know what is on the back, what is on the sides. Similarly, when you take a picture from the top of your house, it will gives you the picture of only the roof. You cannot imagine that how many rooms does it have, where is the kitchen located, where is the drawing room, where is the sitting area, no, right? But the map gives us these details. How? Because in the map we show all the details by this is the drawing room, this is the sitting area, this etc etc. But the map does not gives us the extra details like. And why we studied that topic, because we want to learn the difference between the map and the picture, right? So with the help of that we learned that difference. Then the next topic that we started was where is it? The topic name was where is it? And with the help of that, we learned about the prepositions. And I told you that you might have heard these, you might have learned these in your literacy class, that what are prepositions or what are positional words. So prepositions or positional words basically tells us about the position of something, position of a place, person, or thing, that where that thing is being placed, right? So prepositions tells us about that. And then we also discussed a lot of prepositions. So let's revise that together. Words that help to tell us the place or position of a person, animal, or thing are called positional words, right? That tells us about the position of a person, place, or thing. They are called positional words or prepositions. Got it? Okay. Next, let's look at the different prepositions. Here we have some of the prepositions that are basically used in daily life or that are used most of the time. Let's look at those prepositions. I'm going to share the screen again. So these are some prepositions that we use in daily life, like above, across, after, against, along, among, around, right? These are all the prepositions that we use in our daily life over and over again. And the most common of these are in, on, out, and under. Okay, these are the most common one, but still all of these which are in the picture, which are in your in front of you on the screen, they are also the common one, like, near, before, behind, below, right? And what does that these words do? They tells us about the position of something. That can be about a place, that can be about a thing, that can be about an animal, that can be about a person, right? Okay. So what we will be doing now, we will be making sentences out of it. There is this major difference between in and on that we discussed in yesterday's class. I told you that we use in for something which is close. Let's say they are sitting in the car. They are sitting, the cat is sitting in the box, right? And the word on is used for something which is open. Let's say he is riding on the horse. He is sitting on the chair. Now, chair is also open, horse is also open, but the car is closed from all sides. The box is also closed from all sides, right? So, this is the difference between in and on. That in tells us about something which is closed, and on tells us about something which is open, right? So, this is the major difference, but they are very close prepositions. Okay, then under tells us about something when something is on the top of one thing, we choose the word under to tell its position. Let's say the cat is sitting under the tree, right? Okay, and then out means something, when something came out of something, we use the word out for that. And inside, when something is entering into something, we use the word in or inside for it, right? Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you, and we will be doing an interesting activity related to this together. Look at this. There are some prepositions given in the box, and then some sentences are given. You are supposed to choose the word from there and then fill this sentence, okay? The first one is the slippers are dash the bed. Look at the slippers. The slippers are under the bed, right? Then the bed is dash the shelf. The bed is beside the shelf, right? Now the word beside is used to tell the position of something which is closer to another one, right? Then the girl is dash the bus. The girl is off the bus, right? Okay, the next we have the cat is dash the chair. I give you the similar example just a moment ago about the cat, that the cat is sitting under the tree. Now, over here, the cat is under the chair, right? The next we have the ball is dash the bat. The ball is beside the bat, right? And the last we have the decor is dash the bed, above the bed. Very good. Okay, was it interesting? Excellent. Okay. So that was all for today. We have revised the prepositions together. We are done with this unit as well. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, you will be having a weekly assessment. So prepare yourself for the assessment and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.